Let's make a manicure out of this tie-dye design, but without the swirl. I got my white press-on nails. I'm gonna apply some watercolor gel, but honestly I think that you can just skip this step. I just wanted to look a little more blendy together, and that's what watercolor gel does. It blends colors. And the thing with watercolor gel is you can't cure it until you're done with your design, so I'm not gonna cure that in the lamp, and I'm gonna go right in with my color. I will be using the Born Pretty Neon Gels set called Modern City. If you want to purchase this set on Amazon, you can use my code ROSES to get 15% off. I'll have everything linked down in the description box down below. Also, the links are not affiliate. I really want to try to do this manicure using all 6 gels because these gels look really nice with each other and the colors are so neon and beautiful. So I just started by putting a dot of each gel on my nail, and these gels are crazy neon, especially in the UV light. They just glow. I am using my white press-on nails because neons really shine through on lighter backgrounds. Slap is holding these press-on nails. She's such a good friend. What's great about press-on nails is I can apply these anytime. After I've applied each color, I'm gonna take my Born Pretty brush and I'm just gonna drag it out towards the center of the blob I made, so it kind of looks like a splat. This reminds me of Splatoon. With tie-dye you can do whatever design that you want to do, so I am cleaning off my brush before I go on to the next blob of gel. And how I clean it off is I take some propyl alcohol, it's hard for me to say that word, 50%, I get it at Walmart, and I take a lint-free cloth and I just wipe off the gel. I use cotton balls to wipe off my brush too, and look how pretty they look. When I'm satisfied with how it looks, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the nails upside down. I cannot stress how much this helps even out the gel and give you a better apex. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the light and cure it. After it's cured, it's a little sticky, so I take some more of that rubbing alcohol and I just remove the stickiness. Then I'm just gonna add a top coat over it. Now I personally would wear these glossy, and I like how the glossy looks with tie-dye. You know what this is giving me the vibes of? That 90s toy where it was like a paintbrush that you rolled in every color, then you painted with like rainbow colors with one brush. Did anyone ever have that when they were a kid? Did it work? I love glossy top coat, but I could not resist applying some matte top coat to these nails. I loved how these turned out. This is definitely how I would wear my tie-dye nails.
I think we achieved the look. Why don't we take on vanilla French nails? I heard that it's a fun, trendy take on French nails. All you have to do is click right here for our journey to continue. And remember, Ascenders, our dreams will send you the highest peak. Love ya. See you in my next. Bye.